am reviewing something called Science Putty. And by the way, I'm Cookie Bear. Yes, I am reviewing something called Science Putty. So stay tuned for that. And before we get on with the video, I just wanted to show you this beautiful cushion, which has me, Cookie Bear, and Cookie Pop. And then it says the Cookie Sisters. So if you can't see, hopefully it's focusing and you can see. And also, I have this really amazing, nice thing from one of my friends who gave it to me for my birthday. And guess what? It's the Cool Cookie. And she made it and she said, "To Cookie Bear." So that's an amazing thing. So if you support this amazing Cool Cookie, then make sure to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button down below. And let's get on with the video. Okay, by the way guys, this is filmed at like evening, nighttime. So that's why I have no natural lighting, so I have to just use like the normal lighting. So it might look a bit weird, but I tried my best with the light. So this is my Science Putty I got for my birthday, and it's Science Putty Alien, so that means you can make the alien one. And this is the packaging. It's by Science Museum, so it's from Science Museum. And at the bag, this is what it includes. So pause the video if you want to know. Okay, let's carry on. So I'm going to open this beautiful alien. Right guys, let's open this up now. By the way, thank you to everybody who has subscribed, because they are amazing, and we've now reached 18 subscribers, I think it is. At least we have 18 subscribers the time I'm filming this video. But if any of you guys who are watching this video have subscribed, then of course I'll have 19, maybe even 20. Okay, so I got this packaging open. Actually I don't. Oh, I hate. By the way, it's not like I hate packaging. I mean, it's well packaged, so everything won't fall out. But like, I hate open packaging. So I managed to get that open. Now, let's. Okay, the first thing I see is this. So basically, there's a little pot which is just like bendy kind of plastic with these body parts, I guess you could call it, in there. But it's definitely not big enough. It's just for storage in the container, in the packaging. Oh, there's a mouth. Okay. And now that's open. It's actually very good packaging. And then I see this putty pot, and there's this like safety, keep away from blah blah blah. And this, well, the first thing I noticed about this putty is that I'm not sure if this is a reusable container, but let's just open it and see. Right, because if you guys see, it's like cheap kind of plastic. It's not container plastic, but I guess you can reuse it. You can just put it in like that. So it's quite good actually, even though it's like cheap bendy plastic. It's like packaging plastic. It has these tabs and stuff. And this is like a really nice orange colour. So, oh my god, it is so smooth. Let me try to get this all out. This is like a really nice putty. Like, it's really stiff of course, but it stretches, and it just feels like, I'm not sure what to say, but it just feels like you know, like plastic lunch boxes, feels like that but softer, and then you can like stretch it. So I'll do some like more demonstrating of this putty at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end if you want to see what this is like. But as it's alien putty, I have to try out all the alien parts. And the bad thing about all the body parts of the alien is that it's all loose, but that's okay because I have a little container. But if you don't have a container, you don't really have anywhere to keep it, so I definitely recommend getting a container for this. Look at that googly eye. Right. This is the putty. And this is the body parts. So I'm gonna like make the putty into a shape. And do that, and then stick in a mouth. And I'll stick these two eyes in. And then I'll use these. As you can see, the hands, they have like scales on them. And it says on the packaging you can like press it on to make scales. So that's pretty amazing. Then I'll stick in an arm. I guess these things are legs. Ooh. And I'll put one of these telescope things on the top. Okay, now let's leave it here. Let's see if I can sit it. There we go. And leave it in time lapse and see if it melts or anything. Believe it or not, that was actually in time lapse. And it definitely changed shape, as you definitely saw. And it's not like it just tilted, like it's now in that shape. So let's take all of this off. And I'm gonna do a little challenge with myself. Put all of these back in. So I think I rate this out of 10. I rate this like probably a 9 because it does all of the things that it says it does, which is the main point. Look at that. But like, and the putty also feels amazing, really amazing. But the only thing is that the packaging doesn't come with a little pot to keep this in. And also the pot to keep the putty in is like cheap plastic, like the packaging plastic. It's not like a pot like this. So it's just the packaging for keeping is not as good, but the packaging for when you buy it is very good. But anyway, the challenge is for me to make this monster right here. So I'll put it here for you guys to see. And now I'll try to make it. Set, go. By the way, I'm timing myself. So the mouthpiece actually only comes with this mouth, which is slightly different to the other mouth, but it's still a mouth, so yeah. And then I need one eye, the big eye, okay. Put this on. There. Okay, and then I need those on the... And stop. Okay, that took me 43 seconds. And I mean, it's pretty similar, I have to say, apart from the mouth, but as you can see, it didn't come with the mouth on the packaging like that one. But I tried my best. So I give this, like, my creation, I give this like an 8, because it's roughly similar, but the arms on the picture, they're more like that. And also, the thing in the picture is like really lumpy and stuff. But I think I did pretty well. Comment down below how you think I did. By the way, guys, I also checked the body parts on the back and they were all there, so that's very good because they have all of the body parts that they say. Right, now let's do some ASMR with this amazing smooth putty. Now let's see how well it goes back into its packaging. So basically you can just kind of squish it down and then put this lid on top. Ugh, you have to squish it down quite a lot though. And then you have to squish down this packaging. So I recommend also getting some packaging for this one, this putty, just so it doesn't dry out. But you can leave it like this if you don't have any. Right guys, if you want to join the cookie jar, then make sure to smash that subscribe button. And he really wants you to subscribe because he wants you to see him every time we post. So that means you have to hit the notification bell too. And also, my friends, the Donut Sisters, or just Donut Sisters, have also got a YouTube channel called Donut Sisters. So I'll leave a link down in the description so that you can go subscribe to them as well, because they're doing really well on their channel. So I'd like you to subscribe to them too. Good.